If you tap in the top left on the home screen, you will find the settings, and there at the top, Guide and Help. In there you have a tutorial how to create flashcards. Below that you will find all of these video tutorials. Further down, under General, you can change the app language. There are many languages the app has been translated into. Below that, you can change the app design. And under Tile Exercise Difficulty, you can choose that in the tile exercise whether completed flashcards should be marked, shown normally, or reshuffled after each answer. All settings except for the app language and the theme only apply to your actual learning language, which you did set up in the home screen. Below that, you will find the iceberg settings. I would recommend only changing these if you really know what you are doing. Make sure to read carefully how it works beforehand. You find the full iceberg information if you tap on the small iceberg on the home screen and then on the big iceberg model on the small I in the top right corner. For most people, these settings will not be relevant, except for the option at the very bottom called Refresh Recommendation. There you can set after how many days above the iceberg a small window should appear, allowing you to directly practice items that have not been studied for a certain number of days. By default, this is set to 7 days. If you want to disable this function, you can simply enter 0. Under the iceberg settings, you will find storage usage. Here you can see how much storage the different areas use. You can also compress all audio, images, and videos at once. This cannot be undone, so I recommend thinking carefully about it or creating a backup beforehand. For the Backup and Import section, there is a separate tutorial, so feel free to check that out if you are interested. Under Compression, you can adjust how strongly audio recordings, images, and videos should be compressed. And under Support and Info, you can view the version history and see what is changed in each version. From there, you can also send me, the developer, feedback if you notice any bugs or if you just want to tell me what you like about the app. And of course, I would really appreciate it if you rate the app or share it with other GPA users so it can spread wider. Thank you very much and enjoy exploring the app further.